Okay, so once you're in here, OC, I'm logged on to yours. You should be able to click on your name, click on your Unit 5, and like I said, the office hours and to-do list, you don't actually need to like type anything in there. And then when you click Unit 5 overview, it'll probably take a second to load because think about like everyone in the Fontana district is using Microsoft Teams. If it takes like longer than this, you can always click the refresh button up here. So refresh, and it just kind of like takes a little less. And then you just need to click on the page. Okay, so if your navigation is still up to the left, it won't let you type. So once your page is open, you'll watch the video and then it'll let you type. So I'm logged onto your account, OC, so I think it was just either your navigation was up or just refresh your page. Okay?